Order, can the senator be heard in silence, please?
Madam Speaker, just like the famous inciter of bulls, Senator Boni Khalwale has said, I also rise to oppose this amendment. Madam Speaker, our job here as a Senate is to defend and protect devolution. The net effect of this amendment is to dilute devolution and to transfer functions and powers that have been assigned to county governments to national government institutions. Madam Speaker, I've gone through this amendment bill and I've got a very clear conscience in opposing it. I have further received instructions, Madam Speaker, from the caucus of county executive committee members of water in Kenya. And they have said that they held their meetings and they decided that this bill, they are going to lobby their respective senators so that we defeat it on the floor of this House. And Madam Speaker, this caucus brings together CECs from all the 47 counties, irrespective of how they voted, irrespective of who their political hero is. They have all in unison said that this bill is going to take away the little powers and the little space that county governments and county water service providers have.
Order, Madam Commissioner. Senator Miraj, can you consult in low tones, please?
And Madam Speaker, the caucus members include the CEC water from Bomet, has said oppose. The CEC member for water from Mombasa, where Senator Miraj allegedly comes from, has said oppose. So I hope that they are going to, including Kisii, where Senator Orwobah allegedly comes from, has said oppose.
Continue, Senator.
Madam Speaker.
Order, Senator Gloria.
And I think, Madam Speaker, would have really benefited from the report of the standing committee on this particular amendment, because the reports
Senator
of
Orwobah,
committees.
what is your point of order?
Madam Speaker, statement of fact. I don't allegedly come from Kisii County. I come from Kisii County. You must apologize and withdraw. What are you trying to tell the electorate out there? Apologize and withdraw.
Senator Orwobah allegedly means he does not know.
Madam Speaker, I have no idea where she comes from, so there is nothing for me to apologize over. And I think that if someone went to a good school, the word alleged, is self-explanatory. Madam Speaker, allow me to go to the content of this amendment
Order,
bill.
Senator Orwobah, please. Please.
If you look at...
Order, Senator Orwobah. Order, Senator Orwobah.
I have nothing to withdraw.
Senator Orwobah,
I don't know where you come from.
I will not ask you again, please.
Madam Speaker, we are dealing with a very important matter that we are not going to allow ourselves to be diverted by certain sideshows that have become customary in this House. The objective of this bill has been touted as to provide for public-private partnership arrangements and connected purposes. Madam Speaker, if you look at clause 3 of this amendment, it confers additional powers to the National Water Harvesting and Storage Authority, a national government entity. When it provides additional powers to that entity, it means that it is taking it away from another level of government, which in this case is a county government. If you look at clause 4 of this amendment, it confers additional functions to the waterworks development agencies at the expense of water service providers, which are entities owned by county governments. Madam Speaker, no sane senator can stand here and say that there is nothing wrong with this amendment that seeks to weaken water service providers, which are county corporations, by allocating those powers to waterworks development agencies, which are controlled by a cabinet secretary sitting in Nairobi. Madam Speaker, if you go further, clause 5 of this amendment talks of licensing of waterworks
What's your point of
development
order?
agencies.
Senator Sifuna.
Apologies, Senator. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 121 1A and 121 1C, where a